Welcome to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to lock Facebook profile on iPhone. For that, make sure you already have the application on your phone device and you are logged in. Now at this page, at the bottom right corner, you can see the option menu. You have to tap over there. You will be now lead to this page. All you have to do is scroll down a bit. There you can see the option of settings and privacy. Tap over there. Again, the options will be provided. All you have to do is tap on the option settings. You will be now lead to this kind of page. All you have to do is scroll down. Now there you can see audience and visibility option, and below that option you can see several other options, and the first one is profile locking. All you have to do is tap over there. Now before locking your profile, they will make sure that only friends will see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. Only friends will see a full resolution profile picture and cover photo. But people will be able to search for you and send you friend request. After reading this, all you have to do is tap on lock your profile. And your profile will be locked successfully. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.